Oh, thank you. I'm cooking a scallops and some duck and wonderful mushroom sauce with champagne. Hopefully got hungry after. I mean later.
You shouldn't have gone to all that trouble. Should we get on to the interview?
Yes, let's have you had any trouble concentrating?
No, well, there always was the possibility that some worst individuals will take advantage of the world's goodwill, but... Is something wrong?
Oh, my dinner! I'll be right back. Right back. Missed you, Clark.
Well?
We're touring up there with Lois and Superman. Let's go do something wild.
They're expecting us, but wouldn't it like?
Yeah, you're right. How can one man be so square and so delicious? All right, let's go chit-chat. If I have to take Superman, so do you.